What's up, people of the world? LivLevelUp here, and today we are drawing! I'm gonna teach you how to draw in paper using LivLevelUp. Before that, if you want more videos of this, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, helps my channel grow, and also follow me on social media, links in the description box below. Let me show you the WeDraw app. So here it is, right there. You can download this on your phone or your tablet. So you have to click this and you can draw many as you like. You can even choose anime, cartoon, animals, vehicles, kids, and video games. You can even pick your favorites. Earlier in the morning, I draw this, Finn and Jake. It was super hard, but it was really fun. So let me pick. Who should I draw? You know what? Let's go to, no, not anime, video games. Let's pick Mario. Princess Peach? Or the piranha plant? No way. No way. You know what? I want to draw the piranha plant. Okay, you just follow this. So you just draw a circle. We do it. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this because I can't draw a perfect circle. So yeah, okay, let's draw a perfect circle. Right, hold on, here. Okay, I'll make a circle. Perfect circle. Okay, now next step. Oh, okay, I see you. Okay, I'm trying to draw that. Okay, let me just, okay, let's make it a little longer. And okay, there. Done. You didn't see it. Okay, the next step, we draw a plant. Okay, like, let's draw the leaves. Yeah. Okay, there we go. You kinda don't see it, but it's there. So a little bit there. It's right here. So now next step. What's the next step? Oh. So the next step is you what is this called? You erase the circle, I think. And then, okay, don't erase that. We need that. Okay, now we have that. Okay, now, okay, like that. Okay, now let's draw a, what is this called? Wait, I don't know how to, it's kind of a bit hard. Okay, I'm making a little bit of a progress. Okay, like that. Wait, let me see. Oh, wait. What is this? I'm trying my best. Okay, you know what? Let's erase this. Okay, I'm almost there though. Okay, right there. Okay, I don't know how to draw this bit, but okay, that looks like it. You know? Looks kinda like it. Let's just do this. Okay. Why does it look more better than mine? I mean, look at this. Okay, let's put razor sharp teeth. Okay. Right here. Okay, I don't know. Okay. Okay, now let's build. There you go. Does it look like it? Or no? Okay, I'm really bad at drawing, but I'm trying. Okay, so put this. Okay. Let's follow the line. Okay, then have a blue wire connected to like that. Okay, now we change okay, there we go. And then okay, now how would we, I'm not really good at drawing leaves, but this is how it works. Does it look good or bad? Okay. Oh no, this is the hard part. Okay. Don't do it. Okay, I did it. But there's a little bit teeny problem. Done. There we go. Wait, why did I did that again? Why is it so good looking? Mine looks uglier. Okay, got mine. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, there we go. Then, oh my gosh. Why does it look good? Okay, you know what? It's fine. Let's just focus, concentrate. Just have to draw some circles. That's it. Draw some circles and we're done. Okay, there we go. Let's click. Oh, you add some lining into it. No, you just, oh wait. Don't mind that. Okay. Okay, I think that's great. And I don't know really what to say, but it's kind of good. It's like this. What do you think? Is it good? Or literally trash? Seriously. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to my channel, LivLevelUp, and also follow me on social media. Links in the description box below. And if you want to watch my playlist, links in the description box below also. See you guys next time. Bye bye.